Hey boys, welcome back. Happy Friday. It's TGIF. I got some plan for Bitcoin today. What do you guys think? Is the bottom really in right now? We've got a pretty strong close on the daily. So I told you guys yesterday that I was very interested in how this daily candle is going to close. And I wanted to know if we close right here or even below. So the fact that we closed right here at our resistance, I'm pretty sure that we might have a TGIF, like a pump, but you gotta be careful because we just SFP'd my short box right here. So this was my first short box. I wanted to short this earlier, but seeing how the daily close, and I think we're gonna one time frame this maybe all the way up back in this range. So I'm being careful with shorts now, but it doesn't mean that I'm not entertaining shorts, right? Because we've got a lot of low resistance liquidity here. So I'm pretty sure as well that Bitcoin's probably gonna come back for this and finally take them out. But for local trades, I am eyeing some local trades right now. Before we go into them, a little bit update on my 1K to 100K challenge. Mistakes were made yesterday, all right? So we lost 300 on this, I think on Wednesday, because I didn't close the trade when I went to sleep. And when I woke up, I was in profits when I went to sleep. I didn't move my stop loss to break. Even when I woke up, I got step out. So that was a mistake. Now, this one yesterday, nothing really happened. Like we were just chopping around VWAP and daily open. So I decided to close my long with a little bit of loss actually. So I think I lost around 75 bucks somewhere around there because I added around here. I went to sleep, and when I woke up, we pumped. We finally got to our first buck target box, and mistakes were made, boys. But don't worry, there's gonna be more trades, and we're gonna make this all back and so much more. All right, but boys, if you're not subscribed yet, by the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I update daily TA videos like this every day. We have some links below for weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, and if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital, we got client funding, FTCMOON standard 25% on all evaluations, FTC instant 15% off, best discounts right now. So, um, looking at it locally right now, boys, I think the best long would be yeah, around the golden pocket. So I'm going to mark it out for long continuation. This is probably your best long right now. Like this one. Long box, and then also for pre-DQ. So this two long continuations, if we do get a rejection from the previous month open right now, I mean we did SFP already, but it's looking very, very strong, boys. So if we do come down a little bit, wait, let me look at where VWAP is. Let me look at where VWAP is. Wait, I actually have VWAP right here. All right, so VWAP is above there. All right, so ideally, this would be the best longs for today, I would say, for continuation. But be careful because we might see it's it's either two things, for Friday. It's either TGIF or we get a sell off because people are gonna take profits leading into the weekend. But it's looking pretty strong, so I'm hoping for more continuation. But this was the long I gave yesterday, and if you made some money, congrats on that. My next short area would be around golden pocket, this liquidity, and this point of control from this whole range right here. So I think that would still be a nice short, to be honest. This actually moved pretty well. That is a 8.8% move, so that's pretty nice short. Yeah, that's all I have right now locally. I mean, we this Bitcoin didn't come to this, so I'm just gonna delete this. Let's remove that anchored view up. Let me check where's the anchored view up now from this low. What about this low? Ooh, we get some pretty interesting longs there. What about if I drag it all the way? Ah, okay, I like this. I like this long. What about this one? What about this one? Ah, okay. All right, so these two longs are great. Okay, you also have to look at Nasdaq and ES because we are nearing the all-time highs, boys. Yeah, yeah, we are so near right now, like few points away. Even ES. Oh, ES is like already at all-time highs, by the way. So, scenario for today, either we get a continuation long or a TGIF. But if we don't, no follow through, lack of participations, we might get a sell off. But you do have to remember we got FOMC next week or on Wednesday. So maybe we take this. Maybe today or next week we finally pop this and like do something like that, and then after FOMC, then we finally bleed. That's what usually happens. When a lot of people are very bullish on the rate cut and all that, but we might not get a rate cut. We might get a rate cut, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a new scandal, and then after that, it's probably gonna bleed. Now, after bleeding for a few days, then the real move is probably gonna happen. So um, there's still a chance that we could long the swing longs. So I'm keeping this open because we might bleed. We might get a pump uh, FOMC right here for next week, and after that we slowly bleed through, and then boom, the real move happens, leading to October, November, big altcoin season. So yeah, but luckily, it's looking very bullish, boys. Like you can't deny the fact that we are one time framing the daily. Market structure has changed. We're probably gonna. We just got accepted back in this range, by the way. So we're above the value area low already. So yeah, those were my local longs. And yeah, that's it for this video, boys. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. And happy Friday. Have a nice weekend, boys. Bye bye.